How to Turn Any Website into an App on Your Phone 2025 trick. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn any website into an app icon on your iPhone's home screen. Super quick and easy. So make sure to watch till the end and let's get started. First, open Safari on your iPhone and head over to the website you want to turn into an app. For example, let's go to minecraft.net. Once the site loads, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the share icon. It looks like a square with an arrow pointing up. Now scroll down a bit and tap Add to Home Screen. You'll now see the icon and the link. You can even edit the name to whatever you want. I'll just name it Minecraft. Once you're done, tap Add, and just like that, the website appears as an app-like icon on your home screen. When you tap it, it opens the site directly in Safari, giving you fast access without needing to search or type every time. You can do this for any website, news, games, or even your favorite blog. And if you want to remove it later, just tap and hold the icon, choose Delete Bookmark, and it's gone. That's it. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching.